Welcome to NihonGo Quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge of Japanese numbers? In this quiz, we'll show you a number in Japanese, and you have to choose the correct English translation. Each question has 4 choices, and you'll have 5 seconds to pick the right answer. Keep track of your score and challenge yourself to get all 10 right. Before we start, let's quickly go over Japanese numbers. The Japanese counting system is based on Chinese numerals, and numbers are fairly easy to learn once you recognize the patterns. The numbers 1 to 10 are especially important because they form the basis for larger numbers. Now that you have an idea, let's start the quiz. What number does this represent? Time's up! The correct answer is 1. What number does this represent? Time's up! Hachi is 8. Did you get that right? Next, can you pick the right answer? Time's up! The correct answer is 5. What does this number mean? Time's up! Q is 9. Hope you got that right. What does this number mean? Time's up! The correct answer is 7. Halfway there. Did you get most of them right? Do you know what number this is? Time's up! Sun is 3. Next, what is this number? Time's up! The correct answer is 10. Next, what is this number? Time's up! Roku is 6. Down to the last 2 questions. correct answer is 2. This is the last one. Be sure to get this right. Time's up! The correct answer is 4. That's the end of our Japanese numbers quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next challenge. Want to test your Japanese vocabulary next? Click here to take our next quiz.